Baby, give me brain. Baby, go insane. Let me switch lanes. Go a different pace. Man, I'm on a plane. Man, I can't complain.
Shit was good, baby. Back with another video, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, in today's YouTube video, we're making weird noises in public prank with my boy Ivan. We got baby Ivan up in this bitch, yes sir. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, dude, and share this video with your friends. Like right now, dude, share this video with your friends on Snapchat, do all that shit. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, enjoy the video, and I'm out. Gang.
Really? Para ti? Mira, encontré estos dos. ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Este o este? Este es como para...
Yo, check out the brand new Crocs, my boy. What you gotta say? Ooh! New Crocs energy, my boy. Fire, bro. Damn. Let me see. Let me see, bro. Let me check them out, bro. For real. Damn. Ooh. Ooh. We have some fugitives looking at us. Hey, knock that fool out, for real. Knock him out. Knock him out. That fool staring at us, for real. Knock him out. Knock that fool out. Ooh. Hey, bro, we outside, baby. But I'm waiting for him. You're gonna pick us up. I'm waiting for my mom. We're waiting for my mom. Me and this bitch. What's your name? What's your name? Is that Nick? Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh!
Right there. Let me just take my...
But I want to go with Chandler, but Gage. Back for another video, know what I'm saying? Check this shit out. Ooh, got my boy Kevin. Got my boy Jesus. You know what I'm saying? We in this bitch. 3 rounds, 45 seconds. Let's get this shit. Wait. Hey, you guys ready? Yeah. 45 seconds. Go! Fight! Whoa! 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 15 seconds. Ooh, 20 seconds. Oh shit. 37 seconds. Alright, chill. Hey, that's 50 seconds. My bad. Alright, bro. So this is second round. We had to move places. Let's get it. That's what I get for eating too much Doritos. 45 seconds. Hey, y'all need a break? Actually, y'all need a break? 1, 2, 3. Hit it! Whoa! Oh, 27 seconds. Man. On Alex. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 1 second. That's it. Sheesh. You guys ready? You ready? Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Third round. Woo! Third round, baby. Woo! Four seconds, 3 seconds. Whoa! Oh, two. Woo! Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of this YouTube video. Know what I'm saying? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, everything, bro. Do all of that shit, bro. So y'all let me know in the comments who took the W. Was it Kevin or Jesus? Let me know in the comments. Comment down below who took the W of this fight. Alright, I'm out. Gang.
Why the fuck on the model? In the back with the gas. Hold up. You ain't even got it. On my shit.
You chillin'.